Hi, my name is Nermin and I am the president of the session.
Hi, I'm Emin. I will be the vice president and the co-chair of the jury committee.
Hi, I'm Derivan and I'm the chair for the fan committee.
Hi, my name is Ali and I'm media team member.
Hi, my name is Dana and I'm chair of the center.
Hi, I'm Charles and I'm an organizer.
Hello, I'm Yanis. I'm the vice president and the co-chair of the committee on agriculture.
Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm her organizer.
Hi, my name is Sean and I'll be chairing SETI.
Hi, I'm Ella and I'm the chairperson of NV1.
Hello, I'm Lars and I'm the editor of the session.
Hey, I'm Dan and I'm going to chair IMCO.
Hi, I'm Roseanne and I'll be chairing IMCO.
Hi, I'm Jason, I'm the editorial assistant.
Hi, my name is Kostas, I'm the chair of Libe.
Hi, I'm Anouk, I'm on the media team.
Hi, my name is Esteban and I'm chairing Libe.
Hello, I'm Lukas Vitar-Wimar Maruvik and I'm media team member.
Hi, my name is Nicoleta and I am a chairperson of the committee of Agri.
Hey, my name is Dimitrios and I'm chairing STREM.
Hi, my name is Audrey and I'm chairing jury.
Hello, I'm Matej, I'm the chairperson of the Envy committee.
Welcome to the